హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే టు మీ. తెలుగులో మాట్లాడచ్చా మేడం? ఇది తెలుగు వ్లాగ్. Oh, this looks exactly like a British.
Keep it up.
Thank you. Oh, so mic. Yeah, it's a mic. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you see from behind, I'm currently in London. Today's vlog is a bit special for me because it's my birthday week and I'm meeting my friends. They are planning some surprise for me. I don't know what it is. I'm thinking we just go to picnic spot and spend some quality time with them. That's what I'm thinking. I'm not sure what exactly the plan is. I'm currently in the station called Leytonstone. Friends kosam wait chestunna Leytonstone station lo. And once they all come, we'll just go to Richmond Park. Ikkadi nunchi oka tube తీసుకొని మైలాండ్కి వెళ్ళాలి. మైలాండ్ నుంచి ఇంకొక ట్యూబ్ తీసుకొని రిచ్మండ్కి వెళ్ళాలి. That's the life of London. Changing the tubes every time. Say hi to my vlog. Introduce yourself. Don't say your name, okay? తెలుగులో మాట్లాడచ్చా మేడం? ఇది తెలుగు వ్లాగ్. తెలుగు వ్లాగ్. తెలుగులో మాట్లాడచ్చు.
మళ్ళీ స్టార్ట్.
టెల్ మీ, ఏం జరుగుతుంది, అసలు ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తున్నాం?
మనం ఇవాళ రిచ్మండ్ పార్క్ వెళ్తున్నాం.
దేనికి?
పిక్నిక్ చేసుకుంటున్నాం.
పిక్నిక్. ఓకే ఓకే. సో వీఆర్ జస్ట్ వెయిటింగ్ ఫర్ వన్ మోర్ పర్సన్ టు జాయిన్. తను వచ్చాక ప్రాపర్గా వ్లాగ్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాం. సో అంతలోపు
బాయ్.
Meanwhile,
I got one subscriber.
that's very nice.
Do you want to talk anything?
Well, I've just seen her in Tesco in Richmond,
Yeah.
and she's a traveling YouTuber. So I'm very impressed with this, with her, actions here in Richmond. So keep it up.
Thank you.
Yeah.
వచ్చిందండి వయ్యారి. సే హాయ్ టు మై వ్లాగ్ ప్లీజ్. సే హాయ్. ఏం చేస్తున్నాం మనం ఇప్పుడు? వాట్స్ హ్యాపెనింగ్? టెల్ మీ. You gave me flowers and you're not saying what we are doing right now? Just say.
Just say.
There's something cooking, guys. There is. Okay, let's see what's there inside. ఏడ్చినట్టున్నా నేను. Okay. Happy birthday to me.
One eternity later. Two 2,000 years later.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chelsea.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, I'm so blind.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, dear Anu.
A few moments later.
Okay, let me do. I'm a teddy bear. Oh, you on your birthday. We wish that you.
It's a handmade
Oh
one.
no, I
No,
got
it's
it.
not.
Oh, thank you. Okay, I can't wait to open the box. Looks like a Christmas present.
Yeah, kinda.
So excited. Unboxing. Oh, black tea.
No, English rose.
Okay. Oh, this looks exactly like a British.
Yeah, it is a British stuff.
I will make a tea in this and drink
Yeah,
every
you-
day. Ting ting ting.
It's a combination.
It's afternoon tea. You can smell from the camera. Thank you for the gift. It's so nice. It's so cute. So unique actually. I don't know what it is. Okay.
Amazon stuff.
Yeah, looks like some clothes. Oh, maybe mic. Right? Looks like some mic. Amazon.
How do you know it's a mic?
Because it's lightweight. It's a mic. I'm sure. I will get thoughts like what I get.
Actually,
I can see future from someone's eyes.
today.
God, this is too much packaging. I think it's a mic or some hard disk maybe.
Hard disk?
I was thinking to buy a hard disk. Maybe something related to content. Oh, so mic. Yeah, it's a mic.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you so much. I can use
Mic
this
minute.
mic for my vlogs. Oh, should I do unboxing of this mic?
Yeah.
Oh, DJI camera, DJI mic. I have both now.
Oh.
This looks so nice. Yeah.
Look premium.
Yeah. Exactly.
Oh, nice pouch.
Yeah. Germany.
Oh.
This is so cute.
Oh, it's like a clip.
Yeah.
Ah.
Hello, mic testing. 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have a new mic now. I can make better videos. I can make better audio for you guys. That's it.